If your Trane Thermostat screen suddenly went blank, don't worry. There are several reasons this can happen, and I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step. The first thing to check is the batteries. Not every thermostat uses them, but many do. Just pull the faceplate off the wall. Most models pop right off, while older ones may need screws removed. If the batteries are dead, replacing them could solve your problem immediately. Next, take a look at your circuit breaker. A power spike, outage, or even a storm can cause it to trip. Find the breaker labeled furnace, heater, or AC. Flip it fully off, then back on. If it trips again right away, there may be a short or a bad breaker that needs replacing. Another simple thing to check is the furnace power switch. Sometimes it gets turned off accidentally while changing a filter or even bumped into by kids. If that switch is off, nothing will run, including your thermostat. Reason number 4 is a blown 3 to 5 amp fuse on the furnace board. If that fuse is burned out, your system won't work, and the thermostat may go blank. Usually, a blown fuse means there's a short somewhere in the low voltage wiring, so it's worth investigating before just replacing it. Fifth, the furnace may be overheating. Furnaces have safety sensors that shut the system down if things get too hot. When that happens, the thermostat can go blank until it cools off. Most of the time, this happens because of a dirty air filter. Replace the filter and see if that fixes it. Number 6 is a tripped overflow switch. If your drain line is clogged and water starts filling the pan, the safety switch will shut down the system. Check for standing water near your indoor unit. If it's there, clear the drain line and reset the switch. Next, check the furnace door. If the access panel isn't closed all the way, the safety switch inside will cut power. Make sure the door is firmly in place and aligned. Reason number 8 is incorrect thermostat wiring. This often happens right after a new thermostat is installed. If the wires aren't connected properly, like mixing up the R, power, and C, common wires, or leaving out the common wire, the thermostat won't get the power it needs and the screen will go blank. This is especially common with smart thermostats like Nest. While they claim to work without a C-wire, many systems need that steady power. Without it, the thermostat can shut off, reboot, or stay blank. The best fix is to remove the faceplate and carefully check the wiring against your system's diagram, making sure each wire is in the correct terminal and secured tightly. Ninth, your thermostat itself may just be bad. If you test the wires and confirm power is reaching it, but the screen stays blank, the thermostat has failed and needs replacing. These are the most common reasons a Trane thermostat screen goes blank. Start with the easy checks like batteries, breakers, and switches, then work your way down to wiring or replacement if needed.